Hey everybody, I got here is a Lazy Susan door that broke. Not broke, but the hinges broke. So I'm gonna replace that. The door over here. Door over here. Anyway, you must know this is the 165, I believe this is the 165 degree hinge. Here is the 135 hinge. I got it here from Amazon. It says do not separate. The boy ginger so we can give this bag. This is set, do not separate. So it wants me to change both of them. It's a set. So I'm gonna change the whole thing. This is the replacement. See, this is the 135 degree one. So I'm gonna replace both. Because it's a set according to the thing here. It's a set, do not separate. Should I use my power drill or not? I'll do it the long way. So we're gonna remove the older one. This one's already gone. Now I'm gonna remove the other one. Just replace it. Replace both. It's a set. So you can remove this screw over here to separate them first. Very easy. I'll use the same screw. Why not? Should I edit the dead spot out, or should I just keep it, huh? Alright. I'm not gonna edit anything out. I'm just gonna keep rolling. So you know how long it takes to do this. My wife took the screws from this one, the original screw. I don't know where she put it. So I'm just gonna open a new bag. Where's the camera? This is the other door. So I'm gonna take this off, take this off, and put the new ones in. Repairing uncut. use the same screw. Why not? See, there's a mark over here. I'm just gonna match that mark. It should line up to the other side. I think they're the same size. Should be the same size. Might be the same brand, I don't know. Should have done this live repair. This screw is bad. The same thing that you see this outline here from the old hinge, just line that up. Otherwise we're gonna have to keep this loose and line up later. But right now it looks good so far. If I need to make some adjustments, I'm just gonna loosen the screw and adjust it. Alright, that's already 7 minutes gone. So, door, sink there. Fun part. Excuse me, get up the black camera. Why not? Sorry about that, thought the camera was focused on it. Now the bottom. Tighten it. Don't tighten yet. Make sure. Try it first before you tighten it. There you go. It's all fixed. Took about a little under 10 minutes. That's how you fix or replace the cabinet hinge. This is the 135-degree hinge for Lazy Susan. Na-tighten this up now. That's it. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.